I'm Dr. Drew Chase. I am the owner of ARCH Orthodontics, which is a practice in southeastern Massachusetts. 2.5 years ago, we realized that people's lifestyles were changing drastically. From practicing colleagues where we used to have lunches together, they don't have the time to have lunch anymore. From the typical orthodontic scheduling platform where we would do the longer appointments in the morning and the shorter appointments in the afternoon, after school hours, parents have been reluctant and hesitant to take their children out of school during the daytime. And we found that we really have to connect with our patients on their terms more so than connect with them on our terms. You know, it used to be in orthodontics, you could be open from 9 to 5. Now we have to open our office earlier, or we have to keep our office open later for patients to come in and work around their busy schedules of school work and post-school activities. So we began to explore the option of teledentistry and came across Teledentix as one of the great options because of the type of platform that they had built for dental specifically. Our desires were to actually have an exam that would give the patients and the parents all the data that they needed without them having to leave what they were doing to come into the office. So a typical orthodontic exam, we allot about an hour of time at our practice. That means the patient would have to allot close to 2 hours of time. They'd have to stop whatever activity they were doing. They'd have to get to the office early. They'd have to check in, make sure all the documents were taken care of properly, have our whole photos, x-rays, sit down with our treatment coordinator and the doctor, review their diagnosis, review their treatment plan, go through the financial investments, and then get back to home or whatever activity they were going to. If we could create an opportunity for them to have all of that occur in, say, 40 minutes to an hour, we've really made a huge impact in their life. So a couple of years ago, we began this search and we came across Teledentix, and a little bit over a year ago began this relationship, building the platform and creating our virtual consultation mode. Look at it as Teledentix as a way to engage more patients in that if we can meet and exceed the needs of our current patients in a virtual world, then they will be more than likely to talk about those benefits in their life to their friends, and that would support the growth and promotion of our practice on a personal level, which is very exciting news. Anytime that you can deliver something to a patient that they want, or something that they didn't even have the ability to articulate that they needed or would improve the quality of their life and their journey in orthodontics, you have a win. And anytime you've got a win, you have an opportunity to grow the practice. So I think Teledentix will afford some of those growth avenues, and we're very excited about it. We chose Teledentix because it's the most comprehensive teledentistry software in the market.